Targus docking stations connect to your laptop via USB-C or Thunderbolt. Ensure your laptop has a compatible port and your monitors have HDMI or DisplayPort inputs. Connect the Targus dock to your laptop using the included USB-C cable. Plug each monitor into a separate video port on the dock, HDMI to HDMI or DisplayPort to DisplayPort. Power on the dock and install Targus drivers from their website if needed. In your operating system's display settings, set the monitors to extend for dual display or duplicate to mirror your screen. For macOS, go to System Preferences, Displays, and choose to mirror or extend the display. Adjust resolution and orientation as desired in the display settings. If you experience issues like latency, use a Thunderbolt dock for better performance. Keep your Targus docks firmware updated for optimal compatibility. Ensure all cables are securely connected. If using DisplayLink, confirm the latest drivers are installed. Common problems include incorrect resolution settings or driver conflicts, often resolved with a simple reboot. For non-Windows devices, check for macOS optimized firmware updates from Targus. By following these steps, you can maximize your productivity with a seamless dual monitor setup.